Yes, dear startups, thank you. Great presentations. You have done all you could. Now our judges have to work a little bit. Please finish your voting. In a minute or two, we'll be closing our voting and publishing the results, and we will know who will represent Asia at the first World Finals that will be taking place in less than a month, in 18th of February. And for judges, not to get bored, for those ones who finished voting, please look at our poll. Please pay attention. Girls, can I have a poll published? Please select which answer is most relevant to you. You can pick multiple answers. We had gone through many things, and that changed our life to a bigger or smaller extent, depends on where you are, what you have done before. But some of the things probably impacted, you think, that impacted more our lives and will stay with us for many, many years to come, or maybe some years, but still, we are living, we had, with many of you who have been with us through multiple battles, we had talked very often that life is changing, things are changing, we're making our decisions differently, we're interacting differently, we're meeting people differently, we are setting up our businesses differently, but how differently? And will we stick with it when our life will go back to new normal, as we say now, or will we get rid of it and say, whew, it's gone now? So, and we will know the results of our poll also in a couple of minutes. At our networking session, it will be also interesting. Please stay with us. And girls, yes. How are we doing? Do we know who the winner is? Do you know who the winner is? You do? No, okay. Yeah. That is cool. Okay, please tell us.
Yeah, so guys, third place today goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, Image Deep. Congratulations.
Everybody.
Yeah.
Much appreciated.
Our congratulations. So the second place today goes to Startech Tech.
Yoo-hoo! Wonderful.
Oh, and
everybody can see.
Yeah.
First place, Lena.
Today's event is Pakpo Box.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
Oh, wow.
Congratulations.
Christian, thank you.
Thank you.
Get ready for the finals.
Yeah.
Yes. Great results. Yes. And we also have a special announcement for the winner. Alexander, tell us about great opportunity the winner has with our venture fund.
Yes, really. Usually we invite the winner to come to our VC house meeting, where VC can talk to the startup more. And this is our invitation on the community where we exchange deals. So yes, my congratulations.
Yes. Good job. Great idea. And can we have the poll results published? We will know what does Asia think about the impact of the years we have been through. Well, guys, you are great because you are so diverse. And I know Lisa likes this word, right? Because diversity makes our world the way it is, but people got used to working online remotely. What is fun? We just had a unicorn battle in Africa, and that also was the winner. Why is that? And I would like to hear your ideas. Why does this option outperforms online education, online deal making? Why people were working remotely before that, before COVID times? Why is this had come so important? Why do you think it will stay forever with us? Well, I know why it's going to stay, because it's easier. But for me, for example, we had lived with you through many things. You had been visiting our battles when they were offline, then we suddenly had to make them online. And for me as a manager, right, it was such a challenge how to keep a pace with the team, how to make sure they all fill in KPIs, how, like, lots of hows, and I had to learn on the go. And for me, it is inevitable because our teams are separate, are still in different parts of the world, and I have to take care of them, and online is the only option. But most of you, why do you think that online will help us all out? Okay, who would like to start?
I mean, I can start. This is Gary.
Hi, Gary.
I mean, look at what's happened in the last year and a half. Before that, McKinsey said that 92% of the companies were going to go through the digital transformation. Well, it had to happen in a matter of time. And I can tell you with my work tech company that I founded with David Yang, that our inbound interest, we do remote workforce management, HR, it's up 38 times because we're now forced to be able to work online. And the beauty is, it should have happened a long time ago, but look at like the Zoom statistic. They went from 30 million daily active users to over 300. So we are truly transformed. And look at where we're located geographically. Right now, normally I'm in Silicon Valley, but I'm in Palm Beach in Florida. Ukraine, Russia, India, we're from all over. The world has changed. And the beauty about it, it gives us a chance to connect to each other instantly and be highly efficient. The bad news is we can work all hours of the day now, and early in the morning to late at night. So, but you know, it's really I wrote an article in Forbes called The Democratization of Opportunities, and that's really where we are today. We've really democratized opportunities, and we use technology as a vehicle to get there. And, you know, I'm really excited because companies were resistant to the change before, but people really have adapted to it and used it. It's changed their lives, more time home with the family. Bike sales worldwide are up 67% because people are spending time with their families in a different way. So I'm encouraged about it. And by the way, I'm excited about all the companies today. There were some very interesting and exciting. And as many of you know, I write a lot. I've written over 110 articles on artificial intelligence in the last year. I love it. And I'm encouraged by these companies, and it's really great to be here. So thank you.
Thank you, Gary. John, can you tell us about Japan? Because we don't know a lot about it. How do you find it? Working remotely is something that you appreciate, and the performance hasn't gone down, and you think it will stay with us for many, many more years. Even if people have an option going offline, they will stay online.
Yeah, thanks so much for asking me, Anna, and congratulations to all speakers, startups. All of you are great, and also congratulations to judges. Like you are asking the questions, really helpful. So actually, Japan. Personally, I couldn't go back to Silicon Valley, and so my family actually moved from Tokyo to my hometown, Shimonoseki City, because it's a local area near the beach, and because Tokyo is also getting worse and a very bad situation right now. So many of my friends actually moved to local areas, but still that's why we start to have maybe many remote works, and it really works well. However, some businesses, like one of my business I own, is delivering medical devices to hospitals. So those delivering services is efficient. We must deliver, so we cannot do remote work. So I do remote work online for advising startups to large corporations. But other business, we have to meet in person. So both businesses are actually very important. And yeah, hopefully we can find some way delivering these things in more safe.
Yes, it's absolutely. Online is safer, right? Than offline right now. Thank you a lot. Gaurav, how is it looking in India? What about like to work remotely? At least you have to have good internet and computer, right?
Absolutely, Anna. I think that thing has taken up the momentum, but I still would love to see more efficiency and productivity. I've been working quite a bit with some of the fintech and investment and operational businesses in India compared with our US, European counterparts. So as much as I think in India, this work from home culture is gaining steam, unlike our Silicon Valley, where for last 20 years, we all have been used to from our home office environment, right? So I think there is an uptick in that side of the world where people are now starting to acclimatize and stay there, but I would love to see a little bit more productivity and efficiency. The unique trend that I found in the last 1 year, since we just started investing in the last 4-6 months, is so many new businesses and opportunities are coming up. People say that COVID has caused quite a bit of destruction, which is very true and unfortunate. I'm glad it's now ending with vaccines going all across. But at the same time, many business opportunities are arising. Some of the gaming software developers, IT companies are gaining quite some momentum, as much as healthcare is now taking an uptick, right, with telemedicines and others. So I believe, this work from home culture globally, I would love to see more of this. And in Asia Pacific, I would be very happy if we see a bit more of productivities and efficiencies and people getting used to it.
Yes, I think I like this word new normal, and yes, we're all getting used to it, right?
There you go.
Yeah, thank you for sharing that. Pradita, can you please share your opinion towards the year of 2020 was the most successful year for the venture, for startups, because the venture capital invested in the startups outperformed the year previously and outperformed many years. Only a year of 2018 is still sticking out. But is it relative to us working remotely? Maybe we should have done it long time ago.
Yeah, I think I couldn't agree more with Gaurav's statements before, that during the COVID-19 in 2020 and even in the earlier, in the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, we start to think outside our comfort zone. What I mean by thinking of, outside our comfort zone, because like we tend to, look for new opportunities and trying to become more innovative, for example. And for instance, during the COVID-19, I think I connect with Gary a lot and Derek, his partner in, GSD Ventures. And we try to, establish some connection to build something in Southeast Asia, especially in Indonesia and Singapore. And I think that's because of the COVID-19, right? And particularly because, met new new professionals across the board. And I think my takeaway why the VC industry could just posted a very lucrative return, because like everyone's becoming much more innovative in order to thriving the year. And in 2020, when vaccine will be spreading all over the world, we tend to hope that everything will get better, and we hope for very flourishing 2020 too, for example. That's my takeaway. So thinking across the border and the world become very borderless.
Yeah, and we appreciate it in Startup Network and Unicorn.Events because it makes the world smaller and easier to reach
Exactly.
wonderful startups that are there. And of course, I am welcoming all of you to our next battles. This Thursday, we will be having battle in North America. So please just log in from where you are. Do not go anywhere. And be with us, exploring the best startups there are in North America. And I will be really happy to see all of you on our Asian battles, American battles, European battles, African battles, Australian battles, all over the world. Let's appreciate what we have and hope that the future will bring us many, many more things to appreciate. Thank you all for coming today. See you all soon online.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
everyone.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
everybody.
Take care. Stay safe.
Care.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye, Pradita.
Bye.
Bye, guys.